How much should you actually spend on a door security bar? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Ace Mining Door Security Bar. The Ace Mining Door Security Bar caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive specs, priced at just $23.99. If you want a reliable way to keep unwanted guests out, this is worth a serious look. This security bar adjusts from 20 to 50 inches, making it perfect for both doors and sliding glass doors. You're getting a robust design that can withstand up to 400 pounds of force, which means it's not just for show. The rubber caps ensure it stays in place without damaging your floors, and the lightweight structure makes it easy to store or travel with. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you often worry about break-ins, knowing that this bar can hold up against significant pressure gives you peace of mind. Now, some people complained about needing to ensure there are no gaps between the rubber foot and the ground. Here's the thing though, if you take a moment to set it up correctly, you'll find this is a minor issue that doesn't detract from its overall effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or travel often and want an easy-to-use security option. Skip this one if you need something permanently installed though. For just under $24, this is a solid investment for your safety. Now, if the Ace Mining's adjustment feature worried you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Rarisham Door Security Bar. Next up is the Rarisham 2-pack door security bar, which stands out with its heavy-duty stainless steel design, priced at $38.99. If you want extra security and flexibility, this could be a game changer for you. This bar has an adjustable length from 17.5 to 46 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for various door sizes. It boasts a 1.57-inch diameter, allowing it to withstand up to 400 pounds of force. This means it's built to resist a serious attempt at forced entry. Plus, with no installation required, you can set it up in seconds, making it ideal for rentals or travel. Here's why this matters. You want something that not only fits well, but also provides substantial security without a hassle. However, some users mentioned that it feels slightly bulkier compared to other models. Here's the thing though, the added weight actually contributes to its stability and effectiveness, which I think makes the trade-off worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy option that you can easily use in different locations, like hotel rooms or your apartment. Skip this if you need something ultra-portable since it's a bit heavier. For the price, you're getting 2 solid security bars that can really up your home security game. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, Security Man Door Security Bar. The Security Man Door Security Bar caught my attention at just $27.91, and it's a 2-in-1 solution for your home. If you're looking for flexibility and security, this is definitely worth checking out. This security bar can be used for hinged and sliding doors, adjusting from 18.25 to 47.50 inches. Made of high-grade iron, it can also withstand 400 pounds of pressure, giving you confidence in its strength. What's great is the rubber base that ensures it won't scratch your floors while providing a solid grip. Here's why this matters. If you have different types of doors, this product can do it all without the need for multiple security devices. However, I did notice some complaints about the interchangeable caps being a bit tricky to swap out. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the added functionality is definitely worth the slight inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile security solution that works for both standard doors and sliding doors. Skip this if you prefer a single-purpose device. For under $30, it offers great value and flexibility. Now, if you're worried about a more portable option, the next security bar I'm reviewing is perfect for you. Product number 4, Brinks Door Security Bar. The Brinks Door Security Bar is a travel-friendly option priced at $30.89. If you're a frequent traveler or a student, you might find this to be your go-to security solution. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, it's designed to fit hinged, patio, and sliding doors and adjust from 25 to 43 inches. The non-marring top yoke protects your floors, and it sets up without any tools, which is perfect for quick deployments. The compact design means you can easily take it with you wherever you go. Here's why this matters. If you need something that's effective but also easy to transport, this could be your best bet. However, a few users noted that the length adjustment can be a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though. Once you break it in, it becomes much easier to adjust and use, making it a reliable tool for your safety. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable, portable security solution for dorms or travel. Skip this if you want something more permanent. At this price, you're getting solid protection that's easy to use. Now, if you want something that offers even more versatility, the next product might be the one for you. Product number 5, Keplerin Door Security Bar. Lastly, we have the Keplerin Door Security Bar, a heavy-duty option priced at $29.99. If you're looking for maximum impact resistance, you'll want to hear about this. This security bar can withstand over 350 pounds of force, and it features an adjustable design that fits doors 18 to 51 inches wide. The extra-large non-slip base ensures it stays put on a variety of floor types without causing damage. Plus, it installs in under 30 seconds without any tools, which is a huge plus for emergencies. Here's why this matters. If you want something that can quickly help secure your home, this one offers fantastic ease of use. However, some people found that it takes a little practice to get the height adjustment just right. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's a lifesaver in terms of security. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable option that fits a wide range of doors and is easy to deploy. Skip this if you're looking for a long-term installation. For a 2-pack at this price, you're getting a great deal on peace of mind. So, to quickly compare, the Ace Mining offers great portability. The Rarisham shines in strength and convenience. The Security Man brings versatility. The Brinks is perfect for travel, and the Keplerin provides heavy-duty resistance. Each has its own strengths, so it really depends on your specific needs. Choose wisely and keep your home safe.